Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? Man, we got a treat for you. Fresh out of the PMP cooking box. I should say, the PMP Prep Box camp cooking, whatever. Gonna put a little card right up there. A little hyper on some Mountain Dew today, so forgive me. We have got a treat for you. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro. And I know some of you can already see what's in there. Here we go. Alright guys, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look today at one of the most sought after blades by Gerber recently, it seems, the Gerber Flatiron. Now, for you cool people out there who have yet to subscribe to my channel, take a moment of your day, man. It's going to be in the lower right hand corner of your screen that you're looking at. Nail that subscribe. Alright, moving on from that. Now, like I said, we were lucky enough to get this blade in this month's PMP Prep Box. So, kudos, Jason. You know, you officially get a noise. But, I know some of you are going, what's it look like, what's it look like, what's it look like? There we go. I think it's awesome. I think it's beautiful. And it fit just incredibly with the cooking theme. Now, just an overall first impression, okay? I'm not so sure if they shouldn't have put a G10 scale on the back as well, because it looks a little out of place to me where you have one side that's black, or if you go with the tan version, it'll be tan, and the other side that's stone washed out. I do like the fact that they didn't just leave it as a stainless steel frame, they stone washed that as well. I love that forward, just aggressive finger chorl. It just looks like you're carrying around a little mini meat cleaver. I mean, it's centered almost perfectly. Almost. It's a big beefy blade, so I'm not too worried about perfect centering, at least for me. The one drawback that I will tell you is this thumb hole. You're supposed to be able to open it no problem from there, and yeah, that just doesn't happen. But okay. So let's go get into the stats on this guy. It's got an overall length of 8.375 inches. Closed, it's 4.875, and the blade is 3.50. Now, it does have a beefy weight to it of 5.41 ounces. For what it's intended for, that's cool. I mean, you want this thing for camp chores, processing meat, slicing through fruits, veggies, whatever. This is not your typical everyday carry blade that you're going to want in your pocket, to open boxes or open letters with. Now, like I mentioned, it does have the stonewash finish, which I really, truly love. But it made me go, okay, guys, what the hell? Over on Gerber's website, they're calling that a satin finish. That's not satin. That's stonewash. Now, it does have, the hollow grind, which I think is pretty cool for the chopping tasks that you want this thing to do for you. And I found it funny. They were like, blade style, cleaver. I'm like, well, no shit. Take a look at it. That looks like a meat cleaver to me. Okay. Now, like I said earlier, you can get this in one of two ways. Either a tan scale right here or the black. Now, unfortunately, these things are sold out on Gerber's website, so you're going to have to do some digging to find them. But don't worry, I found two different areas that we're going to tell you about in a moment. It does have a one-position pocket clip, which is really just a fat one in there. And I'm telling you, honestly, it takes a little work to move it in and out. So I think that's a bit of a drawback as well. Like I said, the other huge drawback is this thumb hole. Oh, sure, now I can get it moving. That's the first time I've ever been able to get it going. Wonderful. I don't know. Maybe it's just like with that Gerber process where you got to break your blades in. Seriously, now doing it on camera, that's the very first time I've been able to get it moving. It does have a rather aggressive frame lock right here. And as you saw, well, there's the Gerber logo. but no made in Portland, so we all know that's clue for made in China. Now let's do the fun part. Okay, like we usually do, just ordinary heavy stock paper. Make short work of that. You know, paracord pull test. Well, I've stropped this since I shot the PMP Prep Box video, so that might be why it's going through a little bit simpler now. Because in that PMP Prep Box, you guys saw it had a little bit of a problem, and the cut on the paracord wasn't as smooth as it is right there. So simple slice test, no problem. Okay, as we usually do, we took a look at the costs over on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, it's $32.95, and they do have them in stock as of August 14th, 2018, when I'm shooting this video. On Gerber, they're $37, but both the tan and the black are sold out. On Amazon, it's $30.88 for the black. I think the tan was $37, but seeing how I'm reviewing the black, I only wrote down for the black. Plus, you also get free shipping. On Blade HQ, it's got a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. On Gerber, it's 4 out of 5. And on Amazon, it's 3.2 out of 5. But you know what, guys? This is my very quick look at it. I want to know what you think. As usual, guys, down below. Man, give me your questions, your comments, your hatred. Give me everything. I want to know what you're thinking. Don't hold back at all. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for picking this video to start with. I know there's multiple videos out there from YouTube. I'm flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you cool guys in the beginning who didn't click subscribe, man, you're going to be seeing our channel logo popping up right down here. Go ahead and click on that, man. That's going to bring you right to the subscribe. After you've destroyed that subscribe button, please click that bell icon. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Gerber Flatiron, literally hot out of a subscription box and right here on the channel, bringing it for you. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.